Hi everyone. This is Dr. Priya Sachdeva, and my co-author is Dr. Ruhi Lal, and we are presenting our paper. The title of the paper is Cultivation of Family Bond and Values for Development of a Child, a Social Semiotic Approach Through Advertising. Family bonding and commitments are the most important crucial factor in developing child's life. It embeds the social, cultural, religious beliefs and human values in child's life. With the pace of time, these value congruence and traditions have totally been evolved through media, leaving behind all stereotypes. This research study expands the understanding of family participation with advent of media and digitalization. The study focuses on impact of media on the family values, togetherness, and traditional culture of respecting elders and spending time together. The types of participation and influence on the growth and development of child is discussed in detail in this paper. The study explored by using the social semiotic approach of the brand Google Nest Mini. The study has intended to understand the social transition through technological advancement and revealed the deep insights into the audience perception through an advertising commercial. This study has revealed the social change and transformation in social phenomena. Media has brought in family bonds, focusing family contributing to child's development through content mapping and thematic analysis of an advertisement commercial. The study is based on Sassoure's concept of sign and the Peirce's theory of sign. The visual symbols, signs, colors, interpretations, and commercial aesthetics has resulted in creation of family knitting, social transformation in terms of family values, and leaving behind all unreal and revitalization of family cultures. The study has used YouTube advertisement commercial as a primary data source, and it has given a new dimension to brand perception, reviving the new family scape focusing on respect, togetherness, family contributing to development of a child, and revitalizing the cultures of values through digitalization. The study is based on sign and symbol to present the family bonding and value congruence for development of the child. The study focuses on an analysis on the unity of the family, involvement and participation as an attempt by the brand Google Nest Mini to express the need of the society to bring the change by unity and joint family participation for the growth of a child, by which it is promoted through the commercial. The objectives of this research is to gain deep understanding of creative execution style of the advertisement, to explore the creative techniques used by the brand to bringing change in the society, to analyze the effort of advertisements, to fill in the gap in the mindset of youth, to showcase the value, participation and role of joining with their grandparents. The theoretical foundations application of the semiotic theory of Roland Barthes. First is signifier, second is signified. Then comes denotative sign. This three of them comes under the first level of semiotic system. Then comes connotative signifier. Then comes connotative signified. Then comes connotative sign. This is basically the sign functioning as quoted by the Barthes map. Now my co-author will present the rest of the slides. So over to you, Dr. Ruhi. Thank you.
A very warm welcome to all of you. So I'll continue with the research study from research methodology. So the methodology chosen for the research study is qualitative, and research design is mixture of qualitative and fundamental research. The research type is exploratory and descriptive, and the data is secondary data. The sampling technique we have selected, that is the semiotic analysis of commercial, advertising commercial. Unit of analysis is advertising commercial, which is taken for the research analysis, and the sample frame is above 25 years of age married couple. So the design is mixture of descriptive and fundamental research where we have analyzed the meaning of each and every aspect of the research study, the connotation meaning of verbal and non-verbal sign used in the brand communication message, which is described in detail in the research study. The research study has analyzed the sign, symbol, design, interpretation, analysis of verbal as well as visual signal used as a branding element to deliver the message effectively in the advertisement. Semiotic analysis as a qualitative research technique which has used for qualitative data analysis for establishing signifier and signified of the research study. So in this research study, the detailed qualitative analysis has been done, and where we have analyzed the qualitative iconic, singular indicative and conventional symbolic aspect of the research study. While exploring the qualitative iconic, qualitative aspect of sign of brand communication message is taken into study. The visible qualities, first impression of sign is taken as iconic for qualitative data analysis. Singular indicative, under singular indicative, the specific spatial temporal context is taken, traces of identity and origin is considered, and in conventional symbolic, aesthetic preferences and cultural origin is taken. Symbolic power of brand has taken for the understanding the communication message. So the color, shape, line, dimension, texture, light, materiality, volume, formal composition and design aspects are taken under iconic. Abstract qualities such as modernity, simplicity, liveliness, sophistication used in the brand communication under iconic. Under singular indicative, practical function of sign during the use of message to interpret the context of the interactions in the communication message with the user. And conventional symbolic aspects taken for analysis of the research is the cultural status of the brand, the socio-cultural value, belief, tradition, symbol, myth, attitude and cultural identity, which is taken as a symbolic for conventional aspect. So in the research study, we have divided the commercial step by step, where each and every aspect is studied in detail. In the research study, we have taken Google Nest Mini, where it has beautifully shown how development of a child dependent on the family member. There's a participation of each and every member for the development of a child, which has beautifully presented in the research study. So all the family members sitting together for a meal, that is the first scene where it has shown that the cultural values are embedded in a child. The child is so much influenced with the family member and the family atmosphere, where the child Nancy, which is looking carefully at the poster of the queen, and the high alignment of poster represented the strength and courage in the queen's character. And in the entire analysis, it has been shown that how each and every member of the family, the grandparent, the mother, everybody is equally involved for the development of child. A very small example has been taken where the child is playing the role of Rani Lakshmibai, and every member of the family is supporting and preparing the child to participate. So the Nancy is the child who is performing in front of the grandparents to make them proud and happy, and Nancy is ready. Mother is helping the host in the study. Data under data analysis, the advertisement analysis is done using semiotic approach, where communicative value, symbolic representation, interpretation in iconic, linguistic and ideological value, aesthetic decisions like lighting, camera movement, angle of shot has been presented. Signifier signified relationship was established. The significance of background, theme of commercial, sociological, cultural attitude, stereotype was analyzed. The best part of commercial is the strategic placement of the brand, the entire advertisement promote the breaking of stereotype like nuclear family, and support the participation of entire family for the growth of the child. In signified, the important aspect of the study has been taken, and what is the meaning of it. So family members sitting together, which present the family values and togetherness. All members wear modern stylish clothes, that it is showing the class, social class, that it is upper middle class family, and every per member actively participate in the child's practice, that is the interest of whole family in the child's education. Rani Lakshmi Bai poster at a higher place in the wall that represent her character as a symbol of strength and power, as well as the family value that they have. Her picture is pasted in the wall. Nancy practices in front of the family member. This represents her as she is not shy and she is very confident in presenting her performance. Father record the practice session, proud moment for the father. In the entire research study, the emotional appeal is used to break the stereotype in the society, focusing on stereotype and slice of life format to create awareness in the society towards family value for the development of child. The brands are playing with the psychology of customer to make them aware about the changes which are the need for the present day. The brand Google Nest Mini has used the creative technique which are affected, forcing consumer to think about the decision and requirement of the new gadget for the social change, family value, how the brand has become the part of the life, and it is helping in inculcating the values, family values, living together, involving whole family for the growth of the child. So the study represents two signs, the verbal as well as non-verbal sign, the dialogue analyzed in the form of text or the sentence, where the non-verbal sign is the expression. Color scheme, props reinforce the advertisement message. These signs used in advertising commercials are the representative of denotation and connotation meaning, which develop the myth of the advertisement. The denotation means the signifier and signified, and denotation is the signified. And the study implicate that it has potential to influence youth. There is a need to be focused on age, gender while designing creative campaign as theme, ambience and emotion, which were represented by different color, mood and theme of different commercial, make an advertisement more effective. From the present study, it is implicated that there is a need to improve in brand association that ultimately helps the brand to reach the top of the mind of the consumer. The brand which are on the top of the mind of the consumer consider them as a successful brand. So the study recommend brand managers to make advertisement more effective through slogan of the campaign and taglines